So, OnePlus has been in the audio market for a good few years now, with Z series being their budget range for true wireless and OnePlus Buds Pro being on the flagship side. But the question is whether you should go for the Z series or the OnePlus Buds Pro in 2022. Hi guys, I am your host Shaumit Seth, and in this video we're going to be reviewing the OnePlus Buds Pro in 2022, and we're going to be deciding whether they are best buy in 2022 as a flagship buds for Android. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Starting off with the unboxing, yet another great packaging by OnePlus. Removing the plastic covering and opening the box, at the top we get the OnePlus Buds Pro packed in a matte black case. Keeping them aside, we also get a sticker indicating about the STEM gestures. Below this white covering, we get a Buds for Life envelope. Inside that we get manual and warranty information, and of course the red cable card. Next, we have an accessory box which has a typical red Type-C cable and no charging adapter. We also get 2 extra pairs of earbuds, small and large. Keeping everything aside and having a look at the buds, boy, these are some amazing looking buds. The combination of black and silver adds to the premium look of these buds. These buds are available in 2 colors, white and matte black. These buds are really lightweight and they weigh somewhere around 60 grams. The buds are designed so that they can perfectly fit in your ear. I use them for workout and the fit is really nice. They didn't come out of my ear. The case is well built and has a really simple design with OnePlus branding at the top. The case is bigger than most of the TWS out there, and it might be a bummer for some people. The case has magnets in the front as well as on the Buds dock, and I found that the case was difficult to open with one hand. Overall, the design of these buds along with the case is unique, which makes it stand out from the other TWS available in the market. Talking about the features of the OnePlus Buds Pro, I am here on my OnePlus 9 Pro. Under Bluetooth settings, you will find OnePlus Buds Pro once you have connected them. Under that, you can find the earbud fit test, which is a really interesting feature. It helps you choose a better seal for a better fit. What it basically does is it plays a melodious sound and then it helps you decide whether the earbuds have a proper fit in your ear or not. Moving on to the next feature, we have OnePlus Audio ID. I found it to be specifically useful. The feature helps you decide what's best for your ears by playing 5 different frequencies in each ear, and based on that it suggests you an audio preset. Now the most useful feature of all, the dual connection mode, which allows you to seamlessly switch between 2 devices. So there is this cool gesture where you pinch and hold your bud stem for 3 seconds and it will activate the Zen mode air feature. Now you must be thinking, what about it? Well, it plays calm and relaxing sounds, which is just perfect for relaxing, obviously. Personally, I love the gestures on the OnePlus Buds Pro. These are really different and unique from the other true wireless earbuds available in the market. Yes, I'm talking about the pinching gestures. As you can see, there are 4 different types of pinching gestures. Pinch the earbuds handle once for playing and pause. Pinch the earbuds handle twice for next track. Pinch the earbuds handle thrice for previous track, and pinch and hold to switch the noise state, basically A and C. So noise cancellation. So yeah, these are really great and unique gestures which add to the premium experience of these buds. Moving on to the performance of these buds, well, the sound quality of these buds is actually where the price I paid for these buds is justified. These buds have a really punchy bass, the vocals are clear and crisp, and these are really loud. I tested these buds for almost 12 hours straight for movies, music and gaming, and trust me, the audio experience is really great. For OnePlus smartphone users, these buds come with a pro gaming mode where it automatically reduces the latency for smooth gaming experience. Well, these buds have wireless charging capabilities and they are warp charge enabled. It took around 35 minutes for them to go from 10% to 80%, which is really awesome, and the case took almost an hour to get from 0% to 85%. These buds definitely stand out to be a flagship true wireless from OnePlus and can be no doubt considered as one of the best true wireless option in the Android market. Upcoming is in call recording, where I have used the OnePlus Buds Pro. It's a small segment from the call recording. If you wanna hear the whole recording in original quality, the link for the same can be found in the description box.
तो अभी मैं ना इसका माइक का टेस्ट करना चाह रहा हूँ, कॉल पे कैसी आवाज़ आती है। तो अभी तेरे को जो आवाज़ आ रही है, ठीक है, वो इन्हीं बड्स से आ रही है, ठीक है। एंड अभी मैं तेरे को ना इसकी नॉइस कैंसिलेशन के मोड्स चेंज करूँगा, तो मुझे बताइए कि क्या चेंजेस आ रहे हैं आवाज़ में, ठीक है। अभी नॉइस कैंसिलेशन जो है एक्सट्रीम पे है, तो तेरे को आवाज़ कैसी लग रही है?
अभी तो बहुत अच्छी है।
लाइक मेरे
को लगा कि तू फोन से ही बात कर।
अच्छा, अभी तेरे को मेरे पीछे से फैन की आवाज़ आ रही है क्या लैपटॉप के?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं आ रही।
अच्छा, ठीक है।
OnePlus just launched the OnePlus Buds Z2, which are priced at 5,000 rupees in India. Buds Z2 have all the features that are available on the Buds Pro, except key, wireless charging, audio ID and fit test. Also, I feel the Buds Z2 have a rather simple design when compared to the Buds Pro. If you have the budget, I would suggest you guys to go with the Buds Pro. If not, you can buy the Buds Z2. The links for both of these buds will be in the description box. Overall, the OnePlus Buds Pro are truly the best wireless buds with a powerful ANC and sound quality in the 10,000 price segment. These buds are feature rich and have a really great design and also support warp charging, which means if you are in a hurry, you can charge the buds for 10 minutes and they will give you a playback time of 10 hours.
Okay guys, with that being said, we come to the end of this video. So this was my take on the OnePlus Buds Pro, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any queries regarding these buds, then you can feel free to ask me in the comment section below and I would be happy to answer to all of them. And the best buy link for these buds would be in the description, so you can check that out. And if you're new here, then do consider hitting the subscribe button and also pressing the like button, which will keep us motivated to bring such content for you all daily. With that being said, this is Shaumit Seth signing off. Peace.